Russian President Putin thanks Prime Minister Modi for making efforts to resolve Ukrainian crisis. Prime Minister Modi receives Russia's highest civilian honor, the Order of Saint Andrew the Apostle. Russia agrees to India's demand to ensure early release of Indian nationals working in Russian military. By polls underway for 13 assembly seats spread over 7 states, a total of 315 polling stations have been set up in these assembly constituencies. Centre extends ban on pro-Khalistani fringe group seeks for justice by another 5 years.